Are you doing some work around the house around combustible gases? I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY, helping save you time and money. I'd like to introduce you to the Toptes PT-210 Combustible Gas Leak Detector. If you're going to do any work around combustible gases, like the propane tank or even the gas logs, you want to have this on hand. It comes with the leak detector as well as 2 AAA batteries. Simply unscrew the end and insert the batteries as shown. The PT210 is great for sensing methane, natural gas, liquid petroleum, waste gas, and gasoline. You just hold it around the sensitive area. Power it on by pressing the power button for a long hold. Now at this point we're calibrating and we're going to lock in. It was going to say high. Now we're at high. Let's hold the valve open. A leak is detected. An alarm sounds. We power it off to clear it. Then when we fix the leak, we power it on again and we check the leak again. And to power it off, long hold. For more product reviews and recommendations, click the image on your screen now.